This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn rallied on rumors that China was in the market yesterday. Those rumors seem realistic since the recent price actions have now made us competitive with Ukrainian corn. Yesterday, we saw the continuation of basis levels slipping in both the eastern and western corn belts as processors seem to be backing away from the market. Weekly export sales were solid at 35.6 million bushels. And as I record this, the overnight corn futures are continuing yesterday's up move, with spot futures trading a nickel higher. Soybean futures rallied as rumors spread that China was showing interest in soybeans. We don't know yet if any purchases were made, but it's important to note that due to firming of the Brazilian basis, we're now at the same price level that they're at. It's interesting that we're competitive right in the midst of Brazil's soybean harvest. It's now estimated that Brazil has 65% of their soybean crop harvested. There was also some talk yesterday that Brazilian ports are having coronavirus-related problems, which could push business to the United States. New business was not reflected in yesterday's export sales report, which showed 23.2 million bushels of export sales for the week. Speaking of potential export business, the USDA's attaché to China forecasts the Chinese soybean import program will come in at 84 million metric tons, and that's down from the last USDA official projection of 88 million. They continue to feel the impact of the reduced swine herd due to the African swine fever. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are continuing yesterday's move higher, trading up 11 cents as I record this. Wheat also rallied on the news that China was looking. In fact, China purchased at least 2 vessels of hard red winter wheat yesterday that have been confirmed. From a cash market perspective, basis in the interior U.S. seems to be holding steady, while the port basis is up 5 to 10 cents per bushel in hard red winter wheat, probably reflecting the need to get that wheat there to load those vessels. Weekly export sales came in at the low side of expectations at 12.4 million bushels. We've seen some good rains in the southern plains and have more in the 5-day outlook, and that's serving to ease some of the dryness concerns. Finally, in international news, Ukraine's Research Institute forecasts a grain crop is going to be 10% smaller than the one they had in 2019. In the overnight trade, Chicago is a dime higher, Kansas City is up 8 cents, and Minneapolis is trading 3 cents higher as I record this. Cotton futures continue to struggle yesterday, with the May futures closing down 171 points to settle at 58.93. In the overnight trade, the spot futures have kind of joined the rest of the market, trading higher, with spot futures up 124 points as I record this. Yesterday saw the livestock futures have really a pretty nice rally. The June live cattle futures were up $3 per hundredweight, while May feeder cattle were up the $4.50 limit. Lean hog futures also had a nice outing, with the June futures finishing the day $1.85 higher. Class 3 milk futures were on fire as well, with April futures closing 34 points higher as they settle at 16.01. In the overnight trade, we have them trading an additional 3 points higher. Cash livestock markets were all stronger once again yesterday. Choice beef boxes had another huge day as they're up $2.63 to close at $249.87 per hundredweight. Selects were $2.56 higher as they settle at $241.06. And pork carcass values had a great day, closing up $4.03 as they settle at $78.93 per hundred. This has been Craig Haugard for your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.